Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Prius front bumper. First, carefully inspect the damage to your bumper. Look for cracks, dents, or missing pieces to understand the scope of the repair. Decide if a simple repair is sufficient or if a full replacement is necessary. Then, gather all your tools, such as a heat gun, plastic welder, and various grits of sandpaper, before you begin. For minor dents, gently heat the affected area with a heat gun until the plastic becomes pliable. Carefully push the dent out from behind or reshape it. For small cracks and scratches, apply a specialized plastic filler, ensuring it's spread evenly. Once dry, sand the filled area with progressively finer sandpaper, like 400 grit, until it is perfectly smooth and flush with the surrounding surface. When dealing with larger cracks, a plastic welding kit is essential. Clean the crack thoroughly, then use the welder to fuse the plastic together, creating a strong bond. For extra durability, reinforce the back of the repaired area with a plastic mesh. After repairs, carefully reattach the bumper, ensuring all mounting points are aligned and securely fastened to the vehicle's frame. After all repairs are complete, thoroughly clean the bumper and apply a high-quality primer. This creates a smooth base for your paint. Next, carefully apply several thin coats of paint, ensuring it matches your Prius's original color perfectly for a seamless finish. Finally, apply a clear coat for protection and shine. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.